Good morning everyone and welcome to the Zenfinex morning brief for Friday the 1st of October. Now in discussion today we're going to be talking about stocks in general, European and US stocks, because overnight we had some really disappointing Asian manufacturing activity news. This was due to signs of slowing Chinese growth and also factory shutdowns caused by the COVID-19 pandemic that really weighed on the region's economies. Now this is not the start to the day that the FTSE bulls or the DAX bulls wanted to see. The DAX, which is the German index, fell 1.1% and the FTSE fell 0.9%. Now we do have data out today, Europe and US manufacturing activity data, as well as the eurozone inflation readings. That's all released later today, and we should be looking for clues on their monetary policy outlook. Now as a whole in the markets, volatility is rising, with inflation fears worrying traders as well. We do go into October with many of the really popular trades looking vulnerable, such as gold buying and also US stock buying. However, the themes at the moment are quite a good recipe for a bullish dollar, so this is something that we're going to look out for today and actually throughout October as well. That's it for today's morning brief. Trade safe and I hope everyone has a great weekend.